So yeah, I've noticed the last few days I haven't really been moving a lot. Like, I've been napping a lot, and I've noticed like the past 3 days I haven't even reached 5,000 steps. That's kind of easy, right, to do in a day. So today I am challenging. Oh, sorry y'all, I have this retainer in, and in the morning it just, I don't know, I always sound funny, but today I want to challenge myself to walk or to get in 5,000 steps. Whew. So I'm trying to get ready early so I can at least go take like a little quick walk before I go to work. And then maybe I'll do something on like my lunch break, and then maybe after work. Okay, so this is my first time trying the Fenty lip gloss. I'm loving it. I love it. It's, first of all, it smells good. Okay, it smells really good. Hold on, it smells good. I love the gloss it has on here, and I love how thick it is. Like, oh my god, I think this is my new favorite already. Like, what? Okay, I like it. All right, let me hurry up and get dressed so I can take this stroll, because I am sitting at, just from moving around here, I'm already at 300 steps. So yay. Yeah, all right, let me finish getting ready. So my charger broke from my phone, so now I have to go walk to CVS, and hopefully they have some chargers. But it's been an hour and a half without my phone, and I'm realizing how addicted to my phone I am, because it's been hard to work without my music and everything. So, but at least I'm getting my steps in. Better last for a minute. I really need my phone, so we're gonna open this right here.
Yeah, I think like I said, I think the condition for
okay, it's charging. Okay.
Methods of getting there.
Oh, perfect. Hopefully it's done charging, or hopefully it turns back on by the time I get to where I need to go. So I'm officially halfway there. Okay, we at 2,500, yes, but I'm at work, so now I'm on my lunch break, about to walk stairs. I know it's sad, y'all, but I'm getting these 5,000 steps in today. So let's start walking these stairs. Do I even want to, is it that serious? Get up, just get up. Why did I walk stairs? Y'all should have said, girl, no. Like, this is dumb. This is dumb. I walked up 3 flights and up to, this is different than walking around the block. Where are we at? Hold on. Let me see. Yeah. I do not know how I'm gonna get the rest of these stairs. I can't walk these stairs. I don't even know why I did this. That's just not even smart. All right, I'll see y'all on my next break. I am sweating a little bit, but I made it to the library. I'm gonna go look around a little bit and then head back to work. And by then, I think I should have all my steps in. So this is actually a very productive day for me. Good exercise. I just got back. I took an extra long break, and it's because I already finished all my work, so. But I am good and hot, good and tired, but I made it, y'all. We're gonna keep doing this for about a week, and then I'm gonna try to up it to like 7 and then 10. We'll see about those. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.